Hi, this is Vizi Proud Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install Facebook Lite on Android phone. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Facebook Lite is a lightweight version of the Facebook app designed for low-spec devices and slow internet connection. This application was developed by Meta platform so that the users can still access Facebook with more efficient data usage. So how to do it? If you want to install Facebook Lite on your Android phone, it's very simple. So first of all, you can just open your Play Store. From Play Store, you can search for Facebook Lite and this one. The logo is a white background. You can just install this app. Select on install. So now you have installed this app on your Android phone. It's very simple, right? And you can just open it and you can log in with your account. It's very simple, right? So that is how to install Facebook Lite on Android phone. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notifications to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.